Let's talk about users. We're going to be working in our dashboard, and if you're not sure how to get to your dashboard after you have typed in your URL, then all you have to do is click at the end of it and do /wp-admin. Just hit enter, and there you are. You'll be at your dashboard. Alright, so let's click on users, and here we can add new users, or we can also change user, or we can also change passwords here. So for instance, if I want to add a new user, I could have started out clicking here, add new user. I can also go to the top, add new user, and let's say I'm going to name this one Lee Flames. You have to put an email here of whoever this user is going to be, so I'm going to put one of my email addresses. Then you don't have to fill out first name, all this stuff, and then you can put in a password. And here I will put in mine, and then decide what their role is going to be. And if you want them to be a subscriber, then they can't add any content, they can just access your site. If you want somebody to have full editing rights, that would be an administrator, and that's what I'm going to put this one in for, and I'm going to add new user here. So I'm going to save that. Now let's say I wanted to change the passwords, so I could send an email to Lee Flames for them to reset it, or I can go in here, click on edit, and I can create a new password here. And so then that would get rid of the old password and put a new one in there. Alright, hope this helps with understanding something more about users and passwords. And also, oh, I guess here's the other thing. Let me go back here. You can delete somebody from here. So I can delete them. If you ever come into users and you see a user that you didn't create, and this could happen if you have a virus and somebody could add themselves as an administrator, but you can delete it. You can delete them from here, or you could change their status, to a member or something like that. But I would just delete them altogether. You can also delete them from your hosting account in the cPanel, but we won't really worry about that. We're just dealing with users in your dashboard with WordPress. Hope that helps.